Hello, my friend. I will presentation with title Utilization of Electrical Energy from Solar Head for Steel around the port of Probolinggo. Next, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Novel Hatami, number 18, class 3B, study program D4 SKL, Campus Malang State Polytechnic. Next, background. Point number 1, because it hard to get electricity. Because the location cannot be reached by the generator. So the shop owner choose to install a solar power plant where the location of the shop is very hot and suitable for installing a solar power plant. Point number 2, to make the shop look more attractive. So that part, tourist visitors are more interested because they see the apprehension of style that are given a solar power plant around the port, which is attractive and more modern to face. Next, definition. Solar power plant or rooftop PLTS. Electricity is a primary need for human life. Without electricity, electronic equipment cannot be used or function properly. Electricity is also a source of lighting for human life and is a basic need for all activities. The increasing need for conventional electricity or PLN can cause an electricity crisis to occur at any time. Okay, next. Component. Solar power plant is a simple concept that is converting sunlight into electricity energy. Sunlight is a form of energy from natural resource. This solar natural resource has been widely used to supply electrical power in communication satellite through solar cells. This solar cell can produce an unlimited amount of electrical energy directly taken from the sun without any rotating parts and does not require fuel. So that solar system are often said to be clean and environmentally friendly. Compared to an electrical generator, there are parts that rotate and require fuel and produce electricity. Diffuse in noise is noise. In addition, the flue gas produced can cause the effect of greenhouse gas. Whoa, influence can damage the ecosystem of our planet Earth. The solar cell system, asset on the Earth source, consists of solar cell panels, a series of charger controllers, and 12-volt battery which in maintenance free. Solar cell panels are modules consisting of several solar cells which are combined in series and parallel depending on the size and capacity required. What is often asset is a 20-watt or 20-watt solar module. The solar cell module produces electrical energy that is proportional to the surface of the panel exposed to sunlight. The battery charging of controller circuit in the solar cell system is an electronic circuit that regulates the battery charging process. This controller and adjust the battery voltage within 12 volt plus minus 10%. When the voltage drop to 11 volt, the controller will charge the battery with solar panels is a power source. Of course, the charging process will occur if it takes place when there is sunlight. If the voltage drop occurs at sunlight, the controller will cut off the supply of electrical energy. After the charging process lasts for several hours, the battery voltage will rise. When the battery voltage reaches 13 volt, the control will stop the battery charging process. The charging controller circuit is actually easy to assemble yourself, but usually this series of controller is already available in a finished state on the market. In that the price of the controller is quite expensive if purchased as a separated unit. Most solar cell systems are only sold in complete packs that are ready to us. Okay, next. How the system works. The working principle of solar cell step from stated cell photons, which are very small particles of sunlight. When these photons in the emitter atom of the solar cell, they can generate great energy to separate the corrosion from their atomic structure. Electrons that are separated and negative together will be to move in the condition band region of the semi-condition material. So the that love and electricity is included solid of hole with a positive charge. Semiconductor region free in the electron are negative and act as donors and NTP semiconductor. Semiconductor will the whole me semiconductor R as electron acceptor is called by the semiconductor. The interaction of the positive and negative radiation will generate energy that's positive with electron and holes to move in opposite direction. Electron move away from the negative load and holes away from the positive region. When give when given an load in the form of a lamp or the electric device, it will generate an electric current. Next, system types. Point number one, PLTS on grid, namely the PLTS system that is connected or interconnected to the PLN world. PLTS of grid, namely the PLTS system that work alone or is not connected to the PLN network. PLTS hybrid system are synchronizing solar energy and PLN and as energy source async materialize. Pros does not damage the represent does important considerable and will not run out efficient capacity. Cons the constant solar panel capacity and solar head is only available as curtain season. Conclusion. So conclusion is that this no longer brand free efficient and damage in the floor. Okay, thank you. See you.